On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money online from home without a website and without investing any money. This method does not require selling any products. It does not require any experience, and the best part is that you can use this method wherever you are in the world to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPA group accounts. This website allows you to promote CPA offers for free. You are not going to pay for anything before you join. Everything is free. Once you create your accounts, just come to this site. Once you are here, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to click on my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see these are CPA offers that you can promote. You don't need a website to promote them. You can create a simple landing page so that you can promote any of these offers. As you can see this offer right here, what your potential visitors have to do is that they have to just enter their email and then zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning iPhone 14. So once they enter the details, you are going to be earning $1.71. You don't need to sell anything. Your potential visitors don't have to buy anything, and you don't need a website to promote an offer like this. All that you need to do is that you have to just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, you can begin promoting the offer. There are many of them that you can promote. As you can see, a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to earn money without a website. You can see many of them, but CPA offers, they are country specific. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then select the country that you have a traffic source. For example, you can see the country right now is United Kingdom. So all these offers that you are seeing on your screen, any of them that you select, you have to find a traffic source in the United Kingdom so that you can promote the offer there for the people to click through and then complete the asking for you to make money. If you promote it to a different country, you are not going to be paid. So make sure you always target the right people so that you can be making money on this website. You can just come right here and then search for any country that you have a traffic source. You can see it is available worldwide. So any country that you select, you are going to get offers so that you can promote them to earn money. You can see many countries. What we are going to be doing on this video is that we are going to search for Switzerland. You want to get offers there so that you can promote them to earn money. So just search for Switzerland right here. Once you search for it, you can see it here. Just click on it. As you can see, it is currently loading. Once you select Switzerland, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people in Switzerland so that you can earn money. You can see this one right here. The payout is $2.39. You can see $21.39, $2.39, $19.25. You can see $2.73. There are a lot of different offers that you can promote to people in Switzerland so that you can be earning money on this platform. You can see a lot of different offers that have a higher payout. So now what you have to do is that you have to select one of these offers so that you can promote it. So just scroll down and select any of the offers that has a higher payout. So there are a lot of them that you can promote in Switzerland. So what we are going to be doing in this video is that we are going to be promoting this offer right here. You can see it is iPhone 13 giveaway. So what we have to do is that we have to get people to enter the requirement. As you can see right here, pin submit. So once they submit the pin, they are going to compete to win iPhone 13. Once they enter the requirements, whether they win or not, we are going to be earning $12.74. So just click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on the offer, you can see this is the payout. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link. You can see there is always a warning right here. This offer is only allowed on mobile devices. This offer is only allowed in Switzerland. So that is the warning. So what you have to do is that you have to promote this offer to people in Switzerland. You don't have to promote it to any country. So now what you have to do is that you have to build a simple landing page so that you can begin promoting this offer. To build a free landing page, what you have to do is that you have to come on site.google.com. Once you're on site.google.com, you're going to see a page like this. Just click on blank so that you can create your free landing page. Once you click on blank, you're going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that just click right here so that you can delete this particular template. Once you delete it, the next step is that you are going to give a name to your landing page. So just type any name that you want. So once that is done, the next step is that you are going to add content to your landing page. To add content, what you have to do is that just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to paste the title of the offer right here. So just come back on CPA group. Once you come back on CPA group, what you have to do is that just highlight and copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back to your landing page and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Just highlight it and then increase the font size. So we are going to increase it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to center it. So just come right here, click on these three dotted lines. Once you click on it, you are going to come right here, select the alignment, click on this one right here. As you can see, the text is now centered. The next step is that you are going to add the image of the offer right here. When you come on CPA group, you can see it is an iPhone 13 giveaway. So what you have to do is that you have to just search for iPhone 13 images. So just come on Google and then search for iPhone 13. Once you click on iPhone 13, click right here, images. Once you click on images, you can see these are different images of iPhones that you can use. So what you have to do is that you can just scroll down and then select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. So just click on it. Once you click on it, we are going to right click on the image and then select save image as. Once you save the image, the next step is that you are going to come right here, click on images. Once you click on images, select upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to select your image, click on open, and it's going to be uploaded. As you can see, this is the image, so you are going to just expand it. Just expand it. As you can see, the image is now well positioned. The next step is that you are going to add a call to action right here. So just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to type your call to action right here. As you can see, this is my call to action. Claim your free iPhone now. So what you have to do is that you have to translate this particular text, because we are promoting to people in Switzerland. Most of them don't understand English. They understand German or French. So what you have to do is that you have to translate this particular text to German. So just highlight and then cut this particular text. Once you cut it, you are going to search for Google Translate. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Just paste your text right here. Once you paste it, you are going to come right here and then select German. So just type German right here. As you can see, German, select it. Once you select German, you can see this is the translation. So just click right here so that you can copy the text. Once you copy it, you're going to come back to your landing page and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link right here, so that anytime people click on this particular call to action, they will be directed to the product through your affiliate link. So once they enter the requirements, you are going to be earning money on CPA group. So just come back on CPA group and then click right here, copy link. Once you click on copy link, you're going to come back on your landing page. Just highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click on this particular icon right here, insert link. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, click on apply, and you can see the call to action is now linked to our affiliate link. So the next step is that you are also going to insert it to the image right here. So just click on the image. Once you click on the image, select this particular icon right here, insert link. Once that is done, you are going to paste your affiliate link right. Once you paste your affiliate link, click on apply. So now we have a full landing page which we can promote. The next step is that you are going to click right here, publish, so that you can publish your landing page. Once that is done, you are going to type a web address here. So you can just type any text that you want, or you can use numbers. It doesn't matter. So just type anything that you want. As you can see, this is my web address, iPhone 13 for free 23. This web address is available. Once it is available, what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, publish, so that you can publish your landing page. As you can see, your landing page has been published. The next step is that you are going to click right here, view, so that you can see how your landing page will appear to the visitor. As you can see, this is your landing page. You can see everything in it. You can see the image. You can see your call to action right here. The next step is that we are going to drive traffic to this particular landing page, so that we can get people to click through our call to action and then enter the required details. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, freead1.net. This website allows you to post ads to any country that you want, and the best part is that you are not going to pay for anything. Everything is free. You don't need to create an account to post an ad onto the platform. What you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on post free ad. Once you click on post free ad, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you are going to select the category of the product that you are promoting. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to come right here, select community. Once you select the category, you are going to select the subcategory. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select charities, because it is a giveaway. Once that is done, you are going to paste the title of your ad right here. So just come back on CPA group and then copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy the title of the offer, just come back and then paste it as your title right here. As you can see, that has been done. You don't need to translate the language because we want the people to understand, so don't translate it to English. Just leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to write the description of the offer right here. So just write a simple text about the offer and then paste it right here. You can write a brief description like this about the offer. You can see the text is in English, so what you have to do is that you have to translate this particular text to German so that the people will understand what we are talking about. So just highlight and then cut it. Once you highlight and cut it, you are going to come on Google Translate so that you can translate the text to German. So just paste it right here. Once you paste it, you are going to come right here, select German so that you can translate the text. As you can see German right here, you can see the text has been translated. So what you have to do is that just scroll down and then click right here so that you can copy the translated text. Once you translate the text, just come right here and then paste it. You can see right now everything is in German, so your potential visitors will understand what you are talking about. We are not promoting to English speakers, so just leave it like this. Once you have your description, the next step is that you are going to enter an email address right here. As you can see, this is my email address. You can also paste your email address like this right here. Once that is done, you are going to click on this box. You don't want everyone to see your email, so just click on this particular box. Once that is done, you can see the code right here, so you have to enter this code into this particular box. So just type the code right here. So you can see it's 23764. So that is the code. Once that is done, you can see website. So this is where you're going to paste the link to your landing page. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on your landing page. Once you're on your landing page, just click on this particular icon. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, copy link, so that you can copy the link to your landing page. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, if you have a YouTube account, you can paste it right here, but it is optional. If you don't have one, just ignore it. Once that is done, you are going to select the country. This is the most important part, because if you don't get the right people, you are not going to be making money. So just click on it so that you can select the right country. When you come back on CPA group, you can see this offer is only allowed in Switzerland, so you have to select Switzerland. So just come back and then click on choose. Once you click on choose, you are going to search for Switzerland. Scroll down to the bottom so that you can find Switzerland. As I scroll down, you can see this is Switzerland, so just click on it. Once that is done, you are going to select the city, so just click on it so that you can select any of the cities that you want. You can see there are many cities that you can select. As I scroll, you can see many of them, so just scroll and then select any of them that you want. You can see this one right here, Lausanne, so just select that one. Once that is done, you are going to upload images of the offer, so just click right here, browse, so that you can upload the images of the offer. Once you click on browse, you are going to select the image and then click on open, and it's going to be uploaded right here. You can see the image has been uploaded. You can add up to 3 images if you like. Once you enter all the details, the next step is that you are going to click right here, post free ad, so that your ad can be published on the website. Once you click on it, you can see your ad has been published successfully. Congratulations. So your ad is now live, and you are going to get people from Switzerland to click through and then complete the offer for you to make money on CPA group. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.